guys. Did Alesis make a mistake with this new prime? Did Alesis made a mistake with this new Alesis prime? Why did you buy the Alesis Strike Pro? Put it in the comment, and I'm gonna vibe, right, with all the kits, right? I'm gonna give you my reasons why I bought this kit. This drum, it might not come out perfectly, but what I'm trying to show you here is the different sounds, right? Let's go. guys. So, yes. So that's all electronic kits, right? This is why I bought this drum. There are like many different manufacturers or many different brands of electronic kit. But what stand out to me why I bought this drum is the playfulness. I call it the playfulness, right? So they're finding ways, the people who make these drums are finding better ways to make them more sturdy or more realistic, closer to acoustic sound. For example, the hi-hats is one, the hi-hat here, the hi-hat is one that normally give us the biggest pain, the biggest challenge, the biggest problems, and also the snare, right? So they are working to better these things, but while you are doing this, as a company, you have to always remember that acoustic drums is out there already. They are the foundation. It's easy to just go and buy one of those drums. Now the Alesis Prime, I've been through it a few times, right? And all I heard is just acoustic, acoustic, acoustic. And these things are electronic. Electronic, if you go back to history, electronic, it was artificial sounds, you know what I mean? That was where it coming from, So I think they made a big mistake with this one. They should have at least give us back these sounds, these electronic playfulness, let's call it that. They should have given us back that with the Alesis Prime. They should. I'm seeing complaints online of people saying they're not going to upgrade. They're not because, yeah, guys. So anyway, tell me in the comment area what you think. Am I lying? Do you think it make any sense of what I'm saying? Or you're going to make an electronic kit, modeling only acoustic. Electronic is electronic for a reason. You have to give people back those sounds. You know what I mean? Come on, guys. I'm not moving from this. I'm not. It's not like a money issue or anything like that. There's like 1,000 different brands out there, electronic kits. I chose this one because of the sounds. And yeah, we the consumers didn't help them. They give us this drum with all different type of sounds and creative. We should have used our creative imagination and put stuff out there. But we get this thing with all different type of potential and didn't use it. So I guess they're just feeding off the market. Alesis is just feeding off the market. Well, we gave them that incredible drums, and they didn't do nothing with it. So probably they don't want that. So just let's give them this instead. We did this. We didn't help them make the right decision. Anyway, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Of course, you can hear I'm having a communication problem because I'm from the Caribbean, I'm from Jamaica, and we speak a lot of patois there. Of course, in school they taught us English, but the language of the streets is patois. So we speak more patois than English. So guys, if you can understand what I'm saying and feel my vibe, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Thank you.